Assalamu alaikum guys. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove the background of your image, or how can you convert JPG image to PNG. Let's start. At first, let me show you where is my file, where is my picture. This is the picture. I'm gonna make it to PNG. Okay, let's start. I'm using Photoshop CC. At first, bring the file. Okay, now you all have to do, take this tool, erase tool, this one, then click here many times. You guys can see the background is erasing. Yes, the background is clear. Now save it to PNG. For save it to PNG, you have to go file, then save for web, or you can use Alt Shift Ctrl plus S. Then here you have to choose PNG 24. Then here you can make it to 300 or 150 for the resolution. Then click here. You guys can see the image is converted to PNG. Then save. Let me give a name 123. Document logo PNG. Here save. Then here you guys can see the image which convert into the PNG. Now I will add this image to this background. You can see. Wait. Then go to file, open, then take the background of your picture, then open again, then take the photo. Okay, then click it and okay, then Ctrl T, then make it small, Shift Alter, zoom in. You guys can see the image is converted into PNG. Now I will save it. Ctrl S, apply, cancel it. Then again go to file, save for web, then here JPG, then save. You guys can see the image is converted into PNG, and I am using it in another picture background. If you like the video, then subscribe our channel for new contents. Thank you.